Right, what's good, you lot? Hope you boys had a good Christmas. Hope you're all rested and ready to lock the fuck in for 26. It's gonna be a big fucking year for me at least, and I want it to be a big year for you lot. And it can easily be that for you. You just gotta put in the fucking work and the time. So yeah, anyway, we're doing January 25 because obviously we're going into January 26 in a couple of days. So let's get a refresher on last January to see how we're going to get high probable month or not. I can't remember. And right, let's get into it. So what am I looking for right now? In my opinion, this is the clear draw on liquidity for the session. Actually, no, before we do this, guys, I copy and pasted some shit that I'm going to put on here because you guys probably watch these and you don't know what I look for to get an entry. So, right, so I'm reacting to the draw on liquidity, whatever draw on liquidity is happening. My narrative, I've got obviously trade towards my narrative, and then obviously I've got to find the entry. So that's simple, bruv. That's all I'm looking for. I don't need to look for anything else. That's all I need and all I'm looking for, okay? Just keeping it fucking simple. Right, so what we got this day? My narrative is bearish. Because this is my draw on liquidity, in my opinion. We've just engineered a random fucking low. We've manipulated multiple lows here. Come up, rebouncing. I think we're going to displace. But I could be completely wrong, and I'll change my narrative. But for now, I think this is the draw on liquidity. So let's see what happens here. So I want to see what happens at this low here. Obviously, I want to see us a space for a PXL and displace off it again. But let's see. We've got these two lows here. So let's have a look. Alright, so we take the draw. Now I'm reacting to this draw on liquidity here. Right, so we get the order block. For fuck's sake. Let's have a look. Completely inverse that shit. Like, I don't want to be that guy, bro, but like these are the 930 entries you guys should be taking, because at the end of the day, like if it's not more clearer than this, then I don't know what is. Because if we wanted to run higher, we've clearly taken a draw. We haven't even taken these up here. Like, we just didn't, bro. We've completely inversed the entire range again. This draw on liquidity is going to get fucking smacked, but I'm going to go for the 120. My draw on liquidity is literally all the way down here, bro. I can literally target. Did you want to see some crazy shit you can do at 930, bro? I'll target like here. I'll honestly get this, bro. If I displace past these lows here, yeah, I know this is going to run because it happens all the time. The 930, this will be the 930 move. We won't come back up here at all, bro. Watch. Right. Anyway, what we got here, so we've displaced past both of these lows. That's nice. Let's see if we get the rebalance into okay, well, I mean, let's see if this actual draw runs, because that was my draw on liquidity. Put it in minutes. Oh, okay, I think I was wrong. Was I wrong or was I right? Yeah, okay, this is just not going anywhere. Oh no. Boom. Okay. My draw on liquidity was right. My trade towards my draw on liquidity was right. Obviously we did reverse here, but in and out, quick time, all good, easy. Alright boys, I'll be about 14 days, 2 weeks of this shit. Because I know you fuckers lose brain cells when you watch fucking a month of price action, so I'll keeping them short so you guys can lock in on them. Right, so from now, I need to be careful when I delete these, because this shit's gonna fucking delete. Right, so what's happening right now, boys? Reacting to draw on liquidity. This is the draw on liquidity for now, and then I'd say like this one is as well. So what happened? We took the draw and we've clearly reversed it. So my narrative is clearly bullish. I want to see what happens at this draw on liquidity here at 930. So we've displaced above it. Literally already. Honestly, this is like a 930 long, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is some shit that Ubi takes, the big Oopster. He'll literally take a stab like this, bro. Ah, for fuck's sake. He'll take a stab long here, and he'll have his stops like here. This will work. I know it will. Well, this might not work, but we'll get the 1-to-1. The 1-to-1's here. Like, yeah, like, but you can just tell, bro. Like, you can just tell the narrative and you can just tell, like. But yeah, let's see if it was a bearish day. Alright, so take a draw on liquidity here. Let's have draw on liquidity. Let's try and trade it again. Alright, so this is technically our order block, guys. I could have took that easily, but I just thought I'd show you this. Right, so we're currently respecting order block, rebalancing into this gap here. We're still in PXH. Yeah, I think this is again solid. I want to make for a little bit more on this order block, but we've already rebalanced it, guys. Some little source. And we've already rebalanced this order block here. Why are we coming back here? We shouldn't be coming back here because we've already rebalanced the PD array. We don't need to rebalance unless it's like a low probability day. But for me, this doesn't look like a low probability day. So I'm honestly going to take my stab there and just go for the 1-to-1. This is like more my sort of shit, but we'll see if this works. Yeah, boom, easy. Like that was solid as fuck. Like when a PD array order gets rebalanced and it gets come back into again, it's normally going to get ran. We're in PXH here. What the rebalance here, displacement off, and I mean, yeah, clear bullish day, easy. So what do we do there, guys? So reaction drawn liquidity here. For Ubi's trade, it was clearly already above, rebalanced back into the PXH, displacing off it. For my trade, was took the draw. Like, this is just my discretion here. We're in PXH anyway, rebalance to here, already rebalanced this PD right here, so I'm pretty confident it's going to get ran, and clearly it gets ran. So that was my trade again. Pretty simple day again. Right, so what are we looking for? So we've just manipulated this draw here. Oh no, we haven't. We've just skimmed it, I think. Oh no, I think we have taken it, honestly. Yeah, barely, but I think we have. And we're just displacing. I want to see what happens at these draws here. Right, draw taken. That's our order block. That's already our order block. Disrespect right there. Clear as day, bro. So we get... Oh my... So again, I'm reacting to the draw. So what's happening right now, this PDA is getting inversed. But the only reason I'm skeptical is because it's SMT. We have SMT at the highs. So I'm going to wait for a true order block displacement through these highs here if I was going to take a stab long. Right, that does look very solid, honestly. What's the next draw? It's just this big fucking gap. I don't really like these because you can just turn around at any point, really. You can honestly take a stab long here. I'm going to take it. Stops below. And if I lose, I lose, bro. This is in my checklist. This is something I would take. So what happened here, guys? So we manipulated the draw. We've inversed the order block. And we're just wicking above here, multiple. And this is probably going to close above here. Continuation to the upside. We have the manipulation here. It doesn't have to be manipulation at in the New York session. It happened just before. So let's see if this runs or not. Rebalance displacement. Oh, did I get edged, bro? I think I got edged. No, TP smacked again. Pretty simple, pretty easy to read. If you didn't like my entry here, you guys could have took this. Again, I guess order block disrespect again here. See if this ran a bit of points. Yeah, I mean you got your 50 points no matter what where you entered, so solid as fuck again. Right, let's go over this again. React to draw on liquidity. What happened here? Order block. Order block got disrespected. That's my order block. That's my reacting to draw on liquidity. Is we're going to continue through the draw on liquidity. Narrative is bullish because we've manipulated before market. My entry was at the order block disrespect. Simple as fuck, bro. Simple as fuck. Right, and again, it's honestly that simple, guys. Like, there's nothing to complicate. I don't know why everyone's trying to teach you every single fucking PD array there is, bro. You can just read price, and it's not hard. Like, I don't get it. I'm looking on the loads here for some manipulation, right? So we have SMT, these draws here, and these draws here. So I'm honestly bullish for now, but I want to see what happens at this draw on liquidity here. Obviously, that's what we're doing. We're reacting to the draw on liquidity. So we technically did take it, came back up, we're heading towards it again. So, alright, sorry about that, boys. Had to pause the recording. My mother came in. That's fine. Right, anyway, what was I saying? So, reacting to this draw on liquidity here. Let's just have a look. This day looks pretty shit, honestly. So, I'm not expecting a whole lot. I mean, look at this price, but we'll see. Alright, so currently we're respecting bearish. This PD array is pretty much the last line of defense if we want to go lower or higher. Clearly running it. Rebounds perfectly, displacement off it. I'm going to take that there. Stop loss there. Or if you want it to be safe, stop loss up here. Like, but we've got all this low resistance liquidity here, so I'm just going to target that. And that gets smacked in 2 seconds again, guys. So reaction to the draw on liquidity, like, I can't make this any fucking clearer. Like, I really can't. Order block gets respected. Displacement through this low here. Rebounds into this low. I enter here somewhere in this candle, and let's see if these full draws get smacked, which they do. You can target the entire range. Like it. So reaction to draw on equity, we done. Narrative was bearish because that's how we reacted to the draw on equity, and final my entry was the PXL rebounds entry. Cool. So again, like I can just fly through backtesting, bro, because it's not that hard. And when I do lose, it's normally a low probable day or I'm just tripping. But let's see if we can get 100% green streak. That would be lovely. Cheeky January. Right. So let's have a look here. So we've took this draw here. I'm low-key bearish because obviously we're just making high highs, low lows and shit. You know what I mean? All that bullshit. So let's see what happens at these highs here. Okay, 930 opens bearish. Oh wait, did we get SMT pre-market? Yeah, we did. So that's we can honestly take some stabs at shorts here, like maybe. I'll lie to you. And that looks solid for shorts. We just completely fucking. Let's have a look. Today does look low probable. It's fine, I'm not looking for anything. I don't want this draw to get smacked before I take anything. We're just full chopping, bro. There's nothing here. I need to wait for some sort of manipulation or something. There's absolutely nothing here. Oh, I did kind of miss that though. Let's have a look. Okay, now we edged it. Did we SMT it? We SMT'd it, so I honestly should have been looking for longs in this general range. I think I'm maybe a bit too far gone. See if we get a deeper rebalance into 50% of this range. Alright, there's the rebalance technically if we wanted to go higher. I'm going to take that. Alright, so we had the SMT at the lows, we had the rebalance displacement. I mean, the candle's 10 seconds from closing, but the draw's here. We'll see if we get it. No, actually, it's a low probable day. I'm targeting the first internal. I don't care. Are you fucking serious, bro? Nah, I'm not having that, bro. That's some absolute bullshit. Yeah, and then all my shit gets ran. I don't care, bro. I don't. This is what I mean about the only time I lose is some low probable bullshit, bro. Like, yeah, bro, because we just edged my draw by less than a tick. Like, just fuck off. Whatever. I guess we lose that day. It is what it is. Here we go again then, I guess. Right. So, 15 minute. We're just full chopping. Like, this is just arse, bro. Like, whatever, I guess. I'll react to my draw on equity and try and get my win. Alright, these are draws I'm looking at right now. Waiting for either one. Brother, what the fuck? You know what? I'm skipping this day, gang. I'm not trading that. Yeah, see you later, boy. I'm not trading that shit. And yeah, I don't care. Right, let's see what we. Bro, what the fuck is going on? Okay, currently we have displaced below these lows, but middle, but pretty. Next draw's down here. Can my shit fucking work? Right, let me see if we SMT'd it on ES. No, we didn't. Right, so my arrow is bearish already. I'm just waiting to see what happens here. So we got that 938 minute right there. In rebounds into this PXL range as well. Getting the inverse of this BD row. I'm honestly happy to stab shorts here. And yeah, my arrow is bearish. I think we might continue here. We might come up, rebalance a bit more. Or like these are just another nice 930 entry you can grab, in my opinion. Let's have a look though. Rebalance. No, we're getting stopped. Oh, there's no way the order block held, bro. Come on, please hold. There's no way. Let's go, bro. Let's see if my draw gets smacked. Yeah, my draw gets absolutely smacked, bro. I could have caught a fucking banger on this day, bro. Oh my god. Entered here. Stop loss was 39 points. Could have targeted 150, bro. Oh my god. That's only taking me to 10 o'clock, bro. That's 30 minutes of price for 150 fucking points. Holy shit. That's the power of these order blocks, guys. You know, like, I'm looking at my trade saying it's fucked. The order block can always hold, bro, no matter what. So, thank God it did. Let's go, baby. Easy. I saw her in the face and I wanted. Right, again, PXL from the jump. Displacement below lows, rebalancing, displacement. Let's have a look for the draw on liquidity then, eh? Alright, so this one stands out to me. I'll be trading towards this one, I think. Yeah, it looks honestly pretty nice to take a stab now. Let's see what 930 does. Alright, so pre-market, do we have any pre-market manipulation? We do, again, so we can go lower here. We've got the SMT from this draw to this draw, guys. So, pretty simple. I want you guys to look for this, bro, because it can drive the 930 movement heavy, bro, like, you know. But we'll see. Right, so we got the candle flip there. What do we get? What do we get? Not really a whole lot. Yeah, I'm going to take that again. 930 rebalances into the general range. Displacement off it. I mean, I know that candle's got quite a while left on it, honestly, but like, you could target these and play it safe. I might just do that and take my stop in, bro, a bit, because like, I don't need to. You know what? Actually, I'll go for the 1-to-1, bro. Fuck it. Oh, that is not very good. Yeah, now we're gonna get stopped. Maybe not. This is just absolute shit. I don't know why I entered this, bro. It still looks solid, but like a bit choppy. I mean, there's the TP, the 1-to-1. I want to see if my draw on liquidity gets smacked again. Let's have a look. Was my narrative correct? I don't mean about not getting stopped out. I just want to see if the session. Okay, the session wants to come and take them draws, and now we're going to come take these lows. No? I think my narrative was off today, boys. Or we are going to deliver here. We should deliver here. We just went out multiple minutes here. No? No, that's completely fine, bro. All good. I mean, we didn't need to get this draw smack. We had the manipulation to run higher anyway, so yeah, don't worry about that. Again, easy day. 930 again. It just provides some really solid setups. And yeah, let's keep going. Right, I think this is CPI day, or something like that. We had a big displacement ranging inside the candle. So I ideally want to see this draw get taken. Or this one get manipulated either. I don't really care. Right, that's our order block. Let's see if we get the CB disrespect and we can take longs towards the draw. Right, so what's happened here? CPIs came up bullish. I mean, yeah, I just want to see how this gap reacts, honestly. If we get the inverse, then we have SMT'd on the lows as well. Yeah, that's pretty solid as fuck. I think that's fine. So this is a bit shit. We'll see. I'll manage my position here as well. Alright, coming up. I want to see what happens in this general range here, bro, because I'm going to target the rejection block as well. Oh, bro, don't edge me, man. Took this draw. We can reverse now, but let's have a look. That's a shit order block. Should be fine, yeah. Does CPI range get taken? No. That is why you target the rejection blocks, boys, because you don't get fucked in the ass. Bang on. Beautiful, Kyle. Well done, mate. Nice, solid. Yeah. Just watch for these, bro, because they're powerful. They really are, bro. So just watch yourself with them, boy. I saved my ass there. Easy day again. Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm displacing like crazy. Right, so I mean, my narrative is obviously bullish, but I'd like to see a pullback here if possible. Let's have a look. Right, 930 opens. Let me get US up, sorry. Right, 930 opens. It comes down, manipulates. This is technically the order block here. I'm not going to take anything in this general range because, like, I don't know. Like, I am bullish towards this draw. It probably will get smacked, but, like, I'm just not going to take anything yet. There's the rebalance. Do we get the nice displacement? Or, nah. There's the order block rebalance. It's not. Nah, let's just wait. Alright, so we get some remanipulation here. That looks kind of nice, to be honest. But I'm going to wait for a bit more. Alright, so now I'm looking for longs here, guys. But I'm waiting for a rebalancer into this gap would be lovely. Because what do? We generated some liquidity here. Come down, took it, order block displacing off it. This is the drawn liquidity. We're clearly bullish, so I'm waiting for a rebalance of some sort. If I don't get it, then I'm not in. Now, that is a rebalance, I guess. I like these entries here as well. Like, I know it's kind of shit, but when you have two down close and a strong candle above, like, it's not bad. It's not the biggest rebalance I ever wanted, but we'll see if this runs. I'm trading my shit here as well. TP gets smacked. Beautiful, bro. Yeah, so looking for longs in this general case anyway. We just waited for some liquidity to get generated and display stuff. Again, I think that's a pretty simple day again, guys. So reacting to the drawn liquidity. This was technically the draw here. Let's see if we get some manipulation. Manipulated, order block displaced, rebalance. Got the first rebalance we could have, and that was our finding our entry. And then the narrative was bullish, so that was our drawn liquidity for the session. Again, I think pretty simple stuff. Yeah, I think you guys will be fine. Alright, so technically we get some internal manip here. I mean, inside this PXH actually, so it's kind of valid. I think Nante's going to open up bullish. No, bearish, okay. Let's just see. Alright, so I want to have a look what happens at these lows as well. Alright, let's have a look. So, lows get taken. How do we react to the lows? We make an order block. So now we just get our base fundamentals, mark out the order block. Getting some nice displacement off the order block. Rebalance taps just there. Oh no. Okay, let's wait. Still technically order block rebalance. Let me just zoom in on this. We're about to SMT. That is technically SMT. Kind of missed it. Fuck. I'm gonna just let this candle finish. Right. Sorry again. Right. So we're looking for longs. Got the market structure shift above here. The rebalance here. I'm looking for basically just a rebalance. That's nice. Oh, okay. It's fine. Right. So we calm down, take this draw, order block disrespect already. ES is running for them lows. We just SMT them again. I'm waiting for ES to take the draw here, guys. That's what I'm looking for. Now I want to see what happens here. ES takes. I'm clearly running bearish again, so if you guys wanted to, you can smack the entry on there. I'm going to take that. My stop's up here. Targeting the next draw. This is a really bad risk. I will trail. Or did I just get fucked? Nah, I just got fucked. Oh, bro. Fuck rogue. Yes, take the candle. I don't wait for the order block to get made. Yeah, I'm probably going to get stopped here. Hard on. This PXL could hold, I guess. Nice. We got that PDRA displaced through as well. I don't think my draw's getting smacked though. I can trail here, guys, if you really wanted to. Yeah, I'm getting. We'll see. I don't know how we keep getting away with this shit, boys. I'm not gonna lie, but we are. Again, this month is holding PDRAs for the fucking life of them. PXL holding beautifully there as well. Look at the inverse, solid as fuck. Wow, let's go, baby. Right, so we're about 25 minutes in, guys. So this will be the last one of this session, unless we lose. I'm not ending on a fucking loss. I don't care. We revenge trade our way back to the top. Don't do that, I'm trolling. Alright, hourly draws there. We're just displacing above it, showing me that we clearly want to go for some draws up here, I guess. Let's mark out want to mark out this rejection block here. Right, so that's my target. I'd say if we're going to continue bullish. I mean, clearly, like, we've just displaced above highs, rebounced here, rebounced displacement to the highs, I'm guessing, or let's just have a look. Right, so coming down, let's engineer some liquidity here. Let's have a look. Right, that's PXH tap. Kind of disrespecting it now as well. So, yeah, let's have a look. Alright, let's wait here, guys. So we just got SMT here. I'm low-key bullish, but then again, like this price action is not bullish, so I'm just gonna wait. SMT didn't hold. I want to wait for it to get disrespected on ES. Right, gets disrespected there. Alright, so I'm bearish as fuck here, honestly. Like we've ran the order block. I mean, we've ran the order block here. We've disrespected the SMT. We've just rebounced hooked here, and it's looking like we're gonna close bearish. I mean, I could target this, I guess, if I was bearish. Yeah, I've kind of fucked the entry there, but I mean, I have to have my stops there if I want to target this. That's the 1-to-1 there. No, I get fucked. Right, so what's going on here? I still think this is going to go run lower, but I think I just fucked my entry. Okay, we just start barcoding. Alright. Okay, I don't care, we're not ending on a loss. I revenge trade. Alright, next day, lads. Displaced above these highs again, so narrative is already bullish for now. And I think it's the same draws from yesterday. Let's have a look. Yeah, so we've got the external SMT here as well. Internal, sorry. Displacement off of it. This is looking like 930 is just going to continue bullish. Let's see if we get a rebalance back into this PXH range. This is looking like an easy continuation to the upside. Let's have a look at this candle closure. Yeah, I'm going to take that. Oh, hold on. I'm going to wait for it to get disrespected on ES though. There we go. I'm going to take that to the rejection block. Stop loss. Yeah, the 1-to-1-ish, whatever. Right, so the general areas I'm looking at here, guys, is we have this technical ICT order block here. I don't want to see that get round. We have this little BISI here as well that I want to see respect and displace off if my trade's going to work. Literally to the tick. Right, you can show your stop loss there as well. So 340 on the table. And let's see. Yeah, that was absolutely beautiful price action. I couldn't ask for anything better, bro. I just told you exactly what was going to happen. Right, so in this trade, what we reacted to the drawn liquidity, it was down here, this one here, we displaced above it, rebounds displaced, reacted to the drawn liquidity, displaced above it. Now we're just waiting for displacement, rebounds displacement. We got it there, we entered here, or did we enter here? I can't remember, I think we entered here. And then that was our drawn liquidity for the session again. Finding the entry was the order block disrespect here. And yeah, guys, let's have a look at the stats for this session. So win rate 85.7, not bad. 14 out of 12. This trade as well, guys, bearing in mind we got fucking edged by a tick, so I don't care about that shit. That's some bullshit. 8 grand on the month with 1 mini as well, guys. 1 mini only. And yeah, boys, that was basically it. Alright, like the video, sub to the channel, boys. And let's go, you little fuckers, profitable in 2026. Alright, love you, boys.